What's up YouTube, it's your girl Mzj.Alexis and I'm back again with another video. This video is kind of a DIY again, but this time I probably won't show all the process through making these items. I'll give you a snippet, yes, just so you can get an idea that I made them. Like, I really made them. And I'm so proud of myself. And again, I am not a dressmaker. I'm just trying stuff. Like, I'm just trying out all the many skills that I got. And before you guys get into this video, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now and follow me on all social platforms. Link will be in the description box below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and you can ask questions or feel free to voice your opinions and let me know what video you would like to see me do next. Yeah, I keep adding my big stomach, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna keep these items until y'all get me to 1,000 subscribers. I am gonna give away all these items because I'm not keeping them. So some lucky winners will get to wear my outfits. Mzj.Alexis Couture. It's not funny, but yeah, get me to 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, some of y'all subscribers will each get one of these items. But y'all gotta be like my petite body size, because what I did is I made all these clothes to fit my body, because I have not yet mastered how to like measure the measurements to cut out materials. I just be using like my jeans to cut the way I want the pants to fit, and like I brought up just to fit my body. So if you're as small as me, I weigh 130 and I am 5'7". Yeah. So if you in that range, come on, y'all better get me to 1,000 subscribers and y'all will get these clothes. Okay. So for this pink two-piece, like you see, it was sweatpants. I got it from the kids section. Yeah, it was a small in kids, and I decided to turn it into a two-piece. I cut the pants into shorts and then I hemmed that, and the legs, I used the legs to make one of the legs to make the bralette piece, and the other to make the strap and the accessories. Moving on. This pajama two-piece set was, again, like you see, a silk grandma skirt, and I decided to turn into a pajama set because I like the material. Yeah, it's silk material, so yeah. And I don't know if you noticed, the sides are different from the front and the back. It's because I sewed it on backwards, and I decided not to cut it off, so I do the other side the same way. and I like how it turned out, so hopefully y'all like it too. Next is this, I would say, sports two-piece, a pencil skirt and a crop top sweatshirt type thing. That was a 6X. I am going to show you. That was a 6X shorts, and when I stand in one of them legs, it was still falling at my foot. Like one leg of the pants was falling down. So I cut that and I turned one of the legs into a pencil skirt, and I transferred the pocket from the other side of the huge shorts to the pencil skirt, so it had two pockets. And for the top, I just used the other leg and turn it, upside down. Upside down, so the waist become the bottom of the crop top because it had the elastic. And I made it into a top. Yeah, your girl improvising over here. For this brown, well, beige two-piece set, like crop top and tights biker shorts. That was an oversized sweatshirt, and I like the color, but it was too big because it was like a dress for me and I didn't want it to wear it as a dress, so I cut it and made it into a two-piece. Get me to 1,000 subscribers and y'all will get them. And yeah, and what I did, I just, like I said, I use a tight. I have a biker shorts that I use to trace out the shorts part, and yeah. And then I put elastic in the waist, and also for the crop top I put elastic so it would be sucked on and not the slack off. Moving on to this velvet two-piece. This velvet two-piece, I bought like 2 yards of material. I seen somebody made a velvet bodysuit online, but I decided to make it in a two-piece instead. So I used the high-waisted jeans that I had to cut out the bottom. But I was gonna make a bodysuit, and then I changed my mind halfway into it. So I turned the top into a crop shirt, short sleeve. And I think and then I have leftover material, so I wanted to make my one style of shirt that I think I can make, well, that I've been making, I should say, and I turned that into a bralette top. It's not done, but I decided to do this video early, so next time if I finished it the way I wanted it to be, I'm gonna post a picture on my Instagram or something like that. Yeah, or I insert it into another video that I'm doing. But it's supposed to have a long sleeve in mesh. I am going to insert a picture right here. Or a video of how I wanted it to look, but I didn't get a chance to finish. Yeah. And oh my god, moving on to the jumpsuit now that I really love. Like, I seen this guy make a jumpsuit for this girl on YouTube. I forgot what his name is, but if I find it, I'll probably insert his name. But yeah, I seen him make this jumpsuit and I fell in love with it, so I decided to make my own. Well, I wanted a white one, but this blue one, it was just like to see if I can do it before I make the one that I want. And I did it, so I'm gonna make the one that I want. And I bought 2 yards of material for this one. And like I said, I used to use my same high-waisted jeans for the velvet suit. For this bodysuit, I cut it up high-waisted like the jean, and then I cut the top out and then added onto it, and then I put sleeves. I messed up on the sleeve first. I'm gonna show you where I messed up, but then I went back and I corrected.
Long time.
Yeah. And for my final outfit, this was a extra large pant that I saw at the store. The store was closing, so they was trying to get rid of everything, and I got this for like $3. Well, I used one leg to make a whole pant. That's how big the extra large is, and maybe that's how small I am. So yeah, I made a pant, but when I did it like I said, I'm 5'7". This pants, it wasn't that long. So I kind of turned it into, I don't know what to call it, like a 3/4 pants thing. I don't know, but it looked good when I finished. So yeah, and then I used the other leg, well, half of the other leg to make a top. But when I cut out the top that I wanted, I had too much side boob going on right here. So what I did, I made another piece and I stretched it right here and attach it to the back, well, close to the back. And then for the gap that was there for the side boob, I put a beige, is it beige? A nude, I should say, mesh material for that part. So, but I double it so you can see through the mesh. And yeah, and in the back, it was stretchy, but I didn't want to make the same type of top, like to go over my head. So what I did, I do the lace type thing with the string, so you can tie it back. And yeah, that is what I came up with. Hope you guys like it, and like I said, comment down below what video you would like to see me do next, and just any idea, and voice your opinion. Like, your opinions matter. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their friend to subscribe, and y'all will get close. Just get me to 1,000 subscribers.
Long time.
Show some love to my makeup down below. If you think my makeup and my clothes is fire, should I say hearts or fire? Cause yeah, drop hearts, like 2 hearts, 2 fires, okay? 2 hearts, 2 fires. If you think my clothes is fire and my makeup is bomb, like, you see this highlight right here, like. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.